Hi guys, this video is a quick simple one. I'm using some resin tape. Sticking these circular connectors to resin tape so they can be filled with resin. I'm taking a small quantity of UV resin in a silicone cup. To color it, I'm using white pigment dye. Mixing thoroughly. One to two drops of pigment will be sufficient. Filling the connectors fully with mixed resin. Cure the resin under your UV lamp based on your resin brand instructions. I cured it for 5 minutes using a high wattage lamp. I have this ultra fine silver glitter. I'm taking it in small quantities and mixing it with resin. Applying this glittery resin on the top of each connector. Just spreading uniformly using a toothpick. And cure it under a UV lamp. Make sure you also cure resin on the connector's backside. These are the earrings. I have attached a simple silver hoop. You can use them as 2-in-1 like glitter one and also the white one. Thank you for watching this video.